Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best knitting needles are probably one of the most crucial tools in any fiber artist's arsenal, directly impacting the comfort of your hands, the speed at which you work, and the overall quality and appearance of your finished projects. Whether you're a seasoned knitter looking to upgrade your current set or a beginner just starting your yarn-filled journey, selecting the right needles can feel overwhelming with the sheer variety available on the market today. From different materials like bamboo, metal, and wood to various tip shapes and cable lengths, the choices can seem endless, but understanding these key differences will empower you to make an informed decision that perfectly suits your knitting style and project needs. Number 5. 20 Acrylic Yarn Skeins, Multicolored Craft Yarn Kit. Unleash your creativity with this extensive collection of 20 acrylic yarn skeins. You'll have a total of 438 yards of multicolored yarn to work with, perfect for any project. Each skein offers approximately 22 yards of high-quality yarn, ideal for crocheting, knitting, amigurumi, and various craft projects. It's excellent for adding those special accent works. Discover a stunning variety of 20 different colors in this single yarn pack. You'll find the perfect rainbow shades to bring all your creative visions to life. This selection features a perfect mix of vibrant, assorted colors, including the most common ones. It's ideal for projects that call for a beautiful multicolor yarn effect. This kit is designed with beginners in mind, making it the perfect starter set for learning crochet and knitting. It includes everything you need to begin your crafting journey right away. Get started easily with 7 included PDF ebooks filled with yarn patterns. They provide excellent guidance for beginners looking to learn the art of crocheting and knitting. What we like. This yarn pack offers an incredible variety of 20 colors, perfect for bringing vibrant life to any project. If you're just starting out or looking for a wide palette without buying individual skeins, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for crafters who love to experiment with color and beginners who want a comprehensive starter kit with patterns. What people say. The yarn is soft and the colors are beautiful. I love the stitch definition on this yarn, it really makes my cables pop. The yarn is easy to work with and doesn't split. Number 4. Rechargeable Neck Reading Light. Tired of harsh lights disturbing your reading or crafting? Our neck light offers a gentle, eye-friendly illumination, perfect for those quiet moments. Its unique design provides a broad, soft beam, eliminating shadows and eye strain. Enjoy your favorite indoor hobbies without interruption. Whether you're lost in a book or engrossed in knitting, this light provides tranquil, focused illumination. It's also great as a soothing night light or an emergency light during power outages. Take your adventures anywhere with this versatile neck light. It's perfect for camping, hiking, or even nighttime dog walks, offering hands-free lighting so you can focus on your task. Boost your safety and visibility wherever you go. Adjust the light to suit your needs with 3 color temperatures and stepless dimming. Its flexible design ensures light is always directed where you need it. Plus, with a long-lasting rechargeable battery, it provides hours of continuous use. Looking for the perfect gift? This neck light is ideal for bookworms, crafters, and adventurers alike. It's a thoughtful and practical present for any occasion, sure to be appreciated by anyone who loves to read or create. What we like. This neck light provides a unique dual lighting system designed for ultimate comfort and versatility. If you often find yourself reading or crafting in low light, or need a reliable hands-free light for outdoor adventures, this is for you. Its eye-caring design and long battery life make it perfect for extended use during quiet evenings or nighttime excursions. What people say. The yarn is soft and has a beautiful sheen. The colors are vibrant and true to the pictures online. The yarn is easy to work with and doesn't split. Number 3. KnitPal Options Interchangeable Knitting Needle Cable, 40 green. Introducing the KnitPal Options Interchangeable Knitting Needle Cable. This essential accessory is designed to work seamlessly with your existing Options Interchangeable Knitting Needle family. This set includes 1 flexible cable, 2 end caps, and a metal tightening key. When attached to needle tips, it creates a total length of 40 inches. Please note that the 40-inch sizing refers to the total length achieved when needle tips are attached to the cable. This ensures you get the precise length you need for your projects. Experience effortless knitting with our memory-free cables. They move smoothly with your stitches and connect easily to the tips, preventing any snags. Assembling your knitting needles is a breeze. Use the included metal key to securely attach the needle tips to the cable for a tight, reliable fit. The end caps keep your stitches safe when not in use. What we like. This cable is a crucial component for expanding your knitting possibilities within an interchangeable system. If you're looking to create larger projects like sweaters or blankets and need a longer needle length, this is the perfect addition. Its flexibility ensures a smooth knitting experience, making it ideal for those who value comfort and efficiency in their craft. What people say. The yarn is soft and the colors are vibrant, making it a pleasure to knit with. The stitch definition is excellent, allowing intricate patterns to stand out beautifully. The yarn has a good weight and drape, which is perfect for creating garments that flow nicely. Number 2. Knit Picks Options Caspian Short Tip Interchangeable with Knitting Needles. Discover the ultimate in knitting versatility. This set allows you to easily create dozens of needle combinations for all your projects, from socks to hats. This set includes 7 pairs of short wood needle tips in US sizes 4 to 10, plus cables, end caps, a connector, and tightening keys for a complete experience. Keep everything neatly organized in the included flexible vinyl case. Its snap closure ensures all your needles and accessories are secure and easy to find. These short-tipped needles are 2 inches shorter than standard ones, perfect for 16-inch cables. They are ideal for small circumference projects and traveling. Enjoy snag-free knitting with flexible, memory-free cables that connect easily to the tips. Use the included keys to ensure a secure fit for smooth crafting. What we like. This interchangeable needle set is specifically designed for portability and convenience, featuring short tips perfect for smaller projects. If you love to knit on the go, work on items like socks and hats, or prefer a more compact tool, this set is an excellent choice. Its design minimizes bulk, making it ideal for travelers and crafters who appreciate efficiency. What people say. This yarn is so soft and squishy, perfect for blankets and sweaters. The colors are vibrant and beautiful, exactly as pictured online. I love the stitch definition this yarn provides, making intricate patterns pop. Number 1. KnitPal 16 inches Metal Circular Knitting Needle Set. Discover the joy of knitting with our durable metal circular needles, perfect for both beginners and seasoned crafters. Experience the unique 2-circular method, designed to make sock knitting a breeze. Our set includes a comprehensive ebook, guiding you through every step of your knitting journey. It's the ideal resource for anyone looking to master new techniques. Get ready to create beautiful socks with 2 exclusive patterns, Sail Away Socks and Sailor Rope DK Socks. These will be sent to you within 3 days of your purchase. Crafted with break-resistant stainless steel needles and a strong, flexible braided cord, these needles ensure a smooth, snag-free knitting experience. The join between the needle and cable is exceptionally durable. This budget-friendly set features 12 high-quality needles in 6 essential sizes, perfect for all your sock yarn projects. You'll have the right size for every need. Indulge your passion for knitting with needles designed for optimal performance on any yarn. Now you can knit 2 socks simultaneously, finally conquering the second sock syndrome. We are so confident in the quality of our knitting sets that we offer a lifetime free replacement warranty. Enjoy your crafting with complete peace of mind. What we like. This set offers durable metal circular needles with a unique 2-circular method, making it particularly great for sock knitting. If you're a beginner looking to master sock construction or an experienced knitter who wants to knit 2 socks simultaneously, this is the ideal choice. The unbreakable joint and lifetime warranty provide peace of mind for passionate knitters. What people say. The yarn is soft and the colors are vibrant, making it a pleasure to work with. The stitch definition is excellent, allowing for intricate patterns to stand out beautifully. The yarn has a good weight and drape, which is perfect for creating garments that hang well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.